guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can recreate this look, which is perfect for any party or wedding or any other occasions of your choice. If you are looking forward to wear something really bold and dramatic, and if you would want to know how I created this look, then all you have to do is please keep on watching. And now let's get started. Firstly, I'm gonna prep my lids using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm gonna blend it using my hands itself. Now I'm gonna set my lids using the Sugar Compact Powder. The shades will be mentioned in the description box. And now I'm gonna use this palette and take this shade and put this on the crease and little below the crease, and I will be working this in the inner corner and also in the outer corner. I will be deepening it up according to my wish. You can do it as per your need. Now I'm gonna use this Jaclyn Hill palette and take this sunset sort of a orangey yellowish shade and put this little above my crease and use this as my transition shade. You can use a light brown shade also, but I wanted something really popping up, so I used this shade. So once that is done, I'm gonna cut my crease. So you can follow the video to know how I am cutting it. Now I'm gonna use the transition shade itself to set. Now I'm gonna use the shimmery shade on top of it, and this just brightens up your lid itself and changes. Now I'm gonna use these two shades and blend the outer line of the gold shimmer that we have just applied. And now I'm gonna use a black eyeshadow in the inner corner and also in the outer corner. This will help the colors that we have already used to literally. Now I'm gonna use this teal color in the bottom lash line. You can use black if you don't want to, but I prefer using this color. And now I'm gonna apply kajal, and this one is from Nykaa. You can use whatever products you wanted to use. And after that, I'm gonna curl my lashes and put some mascara, and the mascara is from Blue Heaven. And for any dramatic eyes, I recently started applying falsies, and you guys also have to try using falsies and see the difference it makes. And yeah, I just applied falsies, and that's it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like this video, and I'll see you guys with another one. Till then, take care. Bye.